Dear class 8 students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my online class. I am Hassan Manju Hilali, senior teacher of English of Motizil Model School and College. In this class, you are going to learn close test with clues, and it's your last class of the same topic. Now let's start. Dear students, question number 1. At first, read the words and then start fill in the gaps. Life, daily, over, work, invented, labor, on, made, disease, long, by, science. At first read the passage and then try yourself. Computer was not dash overnight. It took dash time and hard dash to invent computer. Computer cannot dash itself. It works dash the basis of commands given dash the operator. It is used in our dash life for various purposes. It has lessened our workloads and dash our life easy. Nowadays, the doctors use computers to diagnose a dash and save valuable dash. Try yourself and then check the answers. Computer was not invented. Computer was not computer was not invented overnight. It took long time and hard labor to invent computer. Computer cannot work itself. It works on the basis of commands given by the operator. It is used in our daily life for various purposes. It has lessened our workloads and made our life easy. Nowadays, the doctors use computers to diagnose a disease. And save valuable lives. Plural form of life. Okay. Now question number 2. The words are in, of, close, they, save, shelter, influenced, friends, are, fertile, nature, trees. Read the passage. Trees are gifts of dash. They are great dash and useful to us dash many ways. The climate dash a country is greatly dash by trees. So more dash should be planted. Trees dash needed for various purposes. Dash give us food and dash. They make the land dash and save it from erosion. Try yourself and check the answers. Trees are gifts of nature. They are our great friends. And useful to us in many ways. The climate of a country is greatly influenced by trees. So, more trees should be planted. Trees are needed for various purposes. Trees are needed for various purposes. They give us food and shelter. They make the land fertile and save it from erosion. Okay. Now question number 3. Dull people, day, inside, laborers, muddy, rains, starve, misery, in, from, thee. Read the passage. A rainy day is dash and gloomy. On this day it dash all day long. Dash cannot come out, dash their home. The roads become dash and slippery. Sometimes the sun is not seen in dash sky. It brings dash for the poor and day dash. They have to stay dash their houses. As a result, they have to dash on a rainy day. Try yourself and then check the answers. A rainy day is dull and gloomy. On this day, it rains all day long. It rains all day long. People cannot come out. People cannot come out from their home. People cannot come out from their home. The roads become muddy and slippery. Sometimes the sun is not seen in the sky. It brings misery for poor and day laborers. For the poor and day laborers. They have to stay in their houses. As a result, they have to starve on a rainy day. They have to starve. Okay. Now question number 4. Civilization, affection, older, loves, of, patriot, it, progress, and unique, the, human. Read the passage at first. Patriotism is an inherent quality of dash being. It creates in man a dash love for his motherland, the land dash his birth. Patriotism is older than dash a man who dash his country and does his own duty for dash progress of his country is called a dash. Even the ancient tribes had a great dash for the land where they lived dash sacrificed their lives to preserve dash. First try yourself and then check the answers. Patriotism is an inherent quality of human being. It creates in man a unique love for his motherland. A unique love for his motherland, the land of his birth. Patriotism is older than civilization. Patriotism is older than civilization. A man who dash his country, a man who loves his country. A man who loves his country and does his own duty for the progress of his country is called a patriot. Even the ancient tribes had a great affection for the land where they lived and sacrificed their lives to preserve it. Even the ancient tribes had a great affection for the land where they lived and sacrificed their lives to preserve it. Now question number 5. Flood, native, of, as, vacation, illiterate, in, remove, can, leave, from, are. Read the passage. Students should not separate themselves dash society. They can serve society dash many ways. Their service is dash great importance to society. During dash they should go to their dash village. They can educate the dash villagers. During a flood they dash remove the sufferings of the dash affected people by raising funds. Dash they live in society, they dash human beings. So they are not isolated from society. At first try yourself and then check the answers. Students should not separate themselves from society. They can serve society in many ways. Their service is of great importance to society. During vacation, they should go to their native village. They can educate the dash villagers, illiterate villagers. During a flood, they can remove during a flood, they can remove the sufferings of the flood affected people by raising funds. As they live in society, they are human beings. So, they are not isolated from society. Now, dear students, I would like to give you some homework. You will try these passages again and then check the answers. Okay, thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe.